This year, we have been blessed with more rain than usual. My sugarcane absolutely loves it. If you grow sugarcane in your garden, be sure to water them regularly whenever there isn't enough rain. Look at my sugarcane in my children's backyard. It grows so tall and beautiful. Sugar canes are not just beautiful, but they are delicious too. Have you ever tried it before? You just harvest from fresh and peel the stalks, and then you can just chew with your teeth to taste the delicious sweet juice inside of the stalk. Also, you can peel and cut them into small pieces and grind it and make juice. Where can you get fresh sugarcane juice from market? Almost not possible. But if you grow them, you can get fresh juice from your backyard. The variety of sugarcane I'm growing here is red stamped. I just love the rich red stalk of the sugarcane. Let's take a closer look at my sugarcane. This garden bed, I planted sugarcane on the edge of the bed, and I planted some sweet potato in the middle. However, they climb all over the bed. There are a couple volunteer peppers too, but it's okay. This bundle actually only comes from one plant. Look how big this one. They grow so tall. Look how beautiful they are here. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, at least 15 to 16, and each of them will produce more and more sugarcane here. This is from the back side of the sugarcane. I planted them along the edge of the garden. How beautiful they are and how well they have been growing. So tall and all the way up here. Here. This year I will have lots of sugarcane to eat. If you want to grow sugarcane beautifully and successfully, like I have here, be sure keep watching this video. It will show you step by step how I grow this beautiful sugarcane. There is no fancy schmancy method, no special technique. It is a very simple method of growing sugarcane. Today, I want to plant sugarcane. This is the very first time I grow sugarcane. I really want to give it a try. So, here you go. First, I dig a trench about 6 inches deep. New growth is supposed to come from here. So I will leave this up, place this in the trench. Well, that seems too deep. 6 inches deep. Okay, I will put it like this. It seems too deep to me. Then make it yes. Okay, now this one. That's a thick one. There has two this spot here, so I leave this up. Oh, that's too deep here. Okay, and then this one here. I made the trench too deep, so I just wipe some dirt out. This one I'm not sure if it will grow because this one is on the top end of the sugar cane. This is a skinny one. Maybe I try this one. You know, they're so heavy, this one. Oh, oops. I don't know how people do this. Ooh, I caught it. Yeah. Earlier, I tried to to cut the sugar cane to try to see how sweet is this sugar cane. I bought this on Facebook group. Actually, it's not too sweet. Not like one I used to eat when I was little. So I will still try to plant it and see to see if I can make it sweeter. I'm not sure. Or to see if it will grow sweeter. Okay, I will still plant this one too. On the corner here. I still have 2 sections left. There's 2 I might plant on this part right next to the lemongrass for need to cover. I'm not going to fertilize for now. After it begins to grow, after it begins to have new growth, then I will fertilize. There are 2 more left. I will plant them along this trench. Okay, this will do. You notice that I put this stick on here, so it reminds me I planted something here. Right now it's December, middle of December. I will mark this area with red stick. It tells me sugar cane is planted over there. Instead of cover with straw, I will just cover with mulch. The mulch like here. This is from grass clippings and from tree leaves. So when the leaves completely decayed, it will provide more nutrition to sugarcane. Hope so. Of course, should. And also, leaves can provide extra protection when we have freezing weather in January and February. We normally have freezing weather in January and February. December, it's still kind of warm. So far, we only have one time had 32, and the other time was 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 40 degrees Fahrenheit like that. I just took a shower. Now I'm going to make myself sweaty again. We are going to a friend's house tonight. Friends invite us for dinner tonight. I cleaned myself. Since I'm on the waiting, it's not the time yet. Oh, I need to do something to the garden. You know, there will be always you can find something to do in the garden, as long as you have that time. This looks great. Yeah. Put the marker back. This area planted sugarcane. February 14, 2026. Look, the sugarcane began to pop out of the soil now. I planted them here, so look here. One more comes up here, and one baby comes here, and one comes here, and one comes from here next to the self-seeded cilantro, and one is there. Oh, hidden. February 22nd, look at the sugarcane. They pops out from the ground and getting much bigger. Look at this one and this one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. One small baby here, 5. February 28th. Look at my sugarcane. more than 1 foot tall already. Yippee! That one was covered by something, whatever. It did not look too good, but I'm sure it will get better. And I have that over there. They're all doing good. I'm so happy. The corner over there is lemongrass I just planted yesterday. From all the lemongrass somewhere, I just dug that up and then put it in the corner. And here's one more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. March the 20th, sugar cane grow much taller and healthier and greener. Look at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are all come from the little sugar cane I planted. March the 20th. This is the progress of the sugar cane. Today is April 24. April 24. Look at the sugar cane. Yippee! This was one single plant. Now it has several branches on the side. This means late summer or October, I will have several sugar canes from this one can earlier. Look at the sugar cane here. Each of them begin to produce more side shoot and have more sugar canes here. And they look very tall too. Look, from here also to here. They are as half tall as me now. Look. I'm so happy. Sugar cane, yippee! I am very happy this year how my sugar cane turned out like this. I just picked a volunteer pepper from here. Love this beautiful sugar cane. They are much taller than me. I'm this tall, and this sugar cane will keep growing, very tall. Do you have a sugar cane in your backyard? Have you ever grown sugar cane in your garden? Please let me know. Have fun gardening.